sabi niya, he still stand, hindi siya nagsisinungaling. Once again, Mr. Chairman, I just like to manifest once again that my motion to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang still stands. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, I second.
Yeah, there is a motion to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang. And this was duly seconded.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Are there any objections?
Point of order. Point of order.
So I will reiterate the motion. There was a motion to cite in contempt former Mayor Tumang for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. And this was duly seconded by Congressman Acop. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Former Mayor Tumang is now cited in contempt. And we'd like to ask the Sergeant at Arms to please assist and escort former Mayor Tumang. Are there any other motions that you'd like to? Okay. So any other motion?
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Acop.
before I file or I move for the second motion, please allow me to explain why I seconded the motion of the Honorable Carabs Paduano.
Please proceed. You have 3 minutes, Congressman Acop.
Thank you. Ako po ay membro ng Committee on Public Accounts, Vice Chairman ng Committee on Dangerous Drugs, kaya alam ko po yung istorya na sinasabi ni Honorable Paduano. Why? Kasi religiously, nag-attend po ako ng mga hearings ng public accounts at saka kwan. Mayor Tumang, kung ano po yung style ninyo doon sa committee hearings, ganun po rin yung ginagawa nyo rito eh. Kung hindi ka nako-confront ng mga ebidensya na hawak ni Chairman Paduano, hindi mo inaamin. Inaamin mo lang pagkatapos na ma-confront ka na may mga ebidensya siya. Do not try to fool the members of this committee. Iisa lang po yung utak po ninyo eh. Napakaraming utak nandito na pinakikinggan ka at saka inobserbahan. Kilala ka na namin talaga eh. Di ba? Kung hindi sinabi ni Honorable Paduano na meron siyang pruweba na pumunta kayo sa China kasama itong mga taong ito, hindi mo aaminin. Kasi ganun din ang ginawa mo dun sa Committee on Public Accounts. Nandun ako. That is precisely the reason why I seconded the motion of the Honorable Paduano, Mr. Chair. Kasi alam ko rin na nagsisinungaling siya. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Acop. Yes, Congressman Fernandez.
And I would like also to manifest that I'm also a member of the public accounts. As a matter of fact, lagi natin sinasabi to that dangerous drugs, public accounts, yung sa human rights, and my committee, we're all together. Umiikot kami sa mga issues regarding dyan sa issue ng kay Mayor Tumang, issue ng different committees. And we know, Mayor Tumang, yung mga ginawa mong pagsisinungaling ngayon. Actually, kanina, nakikinig lamang kami. Akala namin, nasasabihin mo yung mga totoo. When you were mentioning about yung hindi mo kilala, medyo parang nagkatingin na kami dito. Parang may saliwa itong sinasabi. It's hard, no? Sana wag po kayo magpaawa, no? Dahil hindi kami maaawa sa inyo, dahil hindi po kayo nagsasabi ng totoo.
Your Honor.
But of course, let me finish. We'll be giving you a chance. Doon, pinag-usapan na po natin to ng mga maraming hearings sa public accounts. And we have a lot of evidences showing you yung pinakita namin mga pictures and even manifested by the different resource persons. And now, babaguhin ninyo inyong statement? And that's the reason why hindi ko na po matiis. Kanina, I was trying to ask Chairman Paduano to reconsider and to withdraw and give you another chance. Pero still, you're trying to lie dito sa committee ito. We elevated your issue on this Quadcom para sabihin mo yung mga sinabi mo doon at i-manifest mo dito. But unfortunately, hindi mo po ginagawa. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, salamat, Congressman Fernandez. So, before we took a short break, the chair recognized Congresswoman Luistro, and at the moment, she still has the floor. So, you can proceed now, Congresswoman Luistro.
Mr. Chair, I believe that they still have a pending motion.
Okay, so if there's
They're about to move.
If there is another motion, the chair would like to hear the motion. Congressman Akop?
Mr. Chair, since former Mayor Tumang was cited in contempt by this committee, may I move that former Mayor Tumang be meted the penalty of being confined dito po sa premises of the House for the period until the committee report of this Quad Committee is finished. So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to detain
Second.
former Mayor Tumang in the House detention facility until the committee terminates its hearing on the issue of drugs and POGO. Any second? Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.